and then I want to explain how you can actually make 5,000 naira, $10, 5,000 on a daily basis from this amazing website. Now, this is what the current exchange is talking about now in Nigeria. This is an exchange. This is a vendor, yeah, and you can see their prices. This is what you buy currently in the market. This is what you buy now. Let me walk you guys through. If you are selling out, this is Binance price, and this is what major people uses, and this is one of the trusted place here. So you can see they are selling for 670. Almost everybody is selling 670, and they are buying from you at almost 670. Now, this is what our value of what the value of our money has come to. Now, how do you make money here? First of all, if you are new to this channel, what do you do, guys? You help us click the subscribe button, to like the video, subscribe to this channel. We talk about cryptocurrency and affiliate passive income. I call it passive income because you don't need to leave your current job to be part of what we are doing online here. You can do everything on your mobile phone. So subscribe to this channel, and we would love to have you here, and you're always welcome at any time. This is what your current naira price is all about, and how do you make 5,000 naira from this website. Now, I'll walk you guys through this amazing calculator that can give you this amazing result from this website before we go to the website. So if you are doing $200 investment, now I'm going to walk you to calculator when I do this calculation first. So $200 investment is what we're looking at here. So if you're doing $200 investment, how much are you going to make? How are you going to do this money on a daily basis? So $200, 3% daily. I just say daily. Yeah, it's daily. Sorry. Then in 1 month, are you going to recover your money? Yes or no? So you hit the calculator bell, and let's see what you're going to give us. So for $200 investment, you can see for yourself that this is what you are going to be making at the end of 30 days, 31 days. You make interest will be $300. Percentage will be 150%. So you are making extra $300 on this your money for the next 30 days. You can see now. So from this diagram now, you can see that you are earning after your first day, you are earning 12, 18, 25, because you are doing compounding interest. This is the earning breakdown. You can see the earning breakdown here. So it's compounding interest that you are doing here now. So let's just leave it now as this breakdown: 5, 8, 10, 9, 10. Let's just say you are making in the first 3, 4, 5 days, I'm making $30, $45, 60, because you are returning back your capital for 30 days. Now let's say you are making $10 on a daily basis. So $10 from our calculator, times 6, let's just say 650. So 650, you see that by the end of each day, you can see here, by the end of each day, you already make 5k already. You understand now? So you are making $10 now, is about 5,000, 6,000 naira by the end of each day. So that is amazing. So that is what you need to do now. For you to do $200, you are buying at the market price. Currently $200, the market price now is about $200. $200 divided by 670, that is 130,000 naira. Now if you are making, let's say you're making $10 daily times 6, let's just say you are selling at 650, 6,000 times 31 days, you see that what you have already is about 200 and something thousand. You minus your 134, if I'm correct, thousand, you have 67,000 as profit in 30 days. And I'm telling you, this site, amazing site, is going to last for a while. It's going to last for a while. So why don't you jump in? Do this math yourself, and then let's walk you guys through there. So do your math yourself, and let's get on board. The link is going to be in the description of this video if you are ready to kick in into this amazing platform. Now, World OTCP is the senior or a similarity to the previous one you have known. We have all lost money. I'll keep saying it. We all lost money. I lost money there too, and I made money there too. So this is World OTC, over the counter. That is WOTC, short form. Now you see people making money on a daily basis here. So I've done video on how to fund and all of that. Now this is transaction hall. This is where you go, you make your money on a daily basis. So you click all here. When you click all here, you do this every hour. I'm working on how we can get a free script that you can actually be doing this for you without you coming on board every day. That's what we are trying to do in this video. In the previous video that I'm going to be doing, I'll take time to get the information, get the necessary resources for that, and I'm going to update everyone so I can make use of that free script and make money for yourself. You understand? So this is what they do. COTP, WOTC, sorry, goes to buy currency, looks for a buyer from each exchange, and that is how you make money on this platform, guys. So there's nothing much, there's nothing great, but just this platform. If you are doing $200, you are guaranteed of $10 on a daily basis for the next 30 days. You break even in 30 days. How about that? So you don't need to wait for 3 months before it goes down to crash before you make your money. 30 days guarantee. Take your money out of the system. You see what we just did in the calculation there now. Already we have done that calculation already. You don't need to do more than that. That is my own strategy. Don't wait till I want to compound. 3 months you make $2,000 with $300. Or that. Don't do that. Don't do that. 30 days withdraw. If it's possible, withdraw every week. At 30 days, you calculate what you have withdrawn, you calculate the charges, you know that this is what you have profit. If it's 50,000, my dear, it is money. Take it away. Walk away. Then walk away. You don't need to sleep over in this matter. I'm telling you now, be serious. Make money right while this opportunity lasts. People made millions. Some people buy Jeep, bought cars, build houses. We see OTP. This is another opportunity for you to make money. I'm just saying it now. You understand? Make money for yourself. Don't complain. Don't wait for any government. Don't wait for any damn body. This is an opportunity to make money. The campaign is everywhere, going in world, global. Everywhere people are working on this. People are making huge money, transferring, withdrawing money. $5,000. I have seen videos on this channels. People are making hell of money. Do your diligent work on it now. That is still fresh. I'm telling you, this one will stay for the next 6 months. If you have doing your work now and start now, in 30 days you already break even. In 30 days, you don't need to wait for 90 days. 30 days you break even. You take your money out. The rest is profit. The rest is profit, guys. It is profit. In as much as you are waiting for certain people to come back, they're not coming back, fine. This is an opportunity to make money. We keep moving on. I keep saying it. I just move on. Don't wait for anybody. Nobody is going to motivate you. Bills will always motivate you to work hard, to move on to the next phase of life. We have been scammed. Life is a scam as well. The stories we hear as a child is not what we see when we grow up. It is all scam. I call it scam. Risky is what makes people to the top. You want to take risk? Take it now. Thank you guys for watching. I'm sorry if I'm harsh on you guys, but this is the reality, and I want to love to hear from you. My WhatsApp link is going to be in this video. The link to get on board to this group is going to be in the description of this video. Why don't you subscribe to this channel? We are doing a lot our best to make sure we enlighten you on how to make money on the digital space, on the online space, and I'll be very happy to hear from you guys. Thank you for watching so much. Thank you for watching. If you are new here, click the bell icon. You get notified whenever I drop a new video. If you are old, thank you. You're the VIP, and see you in the next video, guys. Bye.